These bright pink smoothie bowls went crazy on the internet years ago because of their vibrant color, but that's not the only thing exciting about them. When you add pitaya to a smoothie with other fruits, veggies, and supplements, they become a superfood smoothie bowl, perfect to keep you full all morning long. Hey there, I'm Molly Thompson from What Molly Made. Welcome back to my kitchen where we make good food that makes you feel good too. Today we're making pitaya smoothie bowls that are just as exciting to make as they are to eat. We're adding a few supplements to them and then we're topping them with some crunchy, fiber-filled ingredients to keep you full all morning long. Let's start by making the base of the smoothie bowl. Add 2 packs of pitaya to a high-speed blender. Pitaya is just another name for dragon fruit. It's bright pink and it just makes you happy to look at it. Every grocery store sells these packs in the frozen aisle with the rest of the frozen fruit. Be careful when you open the package because the pigment can stain clothes. I try to touch it as little as possible because it gets all over your hands. To that, add 1 frozen banana and a half a cup of frozen cauliflower rice. I like to sneak as many veggies into my smoothie bowls as possible, and cauliflower is a great one because it doesn't have any noticeable flavor and it also adds texture to the bowl. Pour a half a cup of your favorite dairy-free milk to the mixture. If you're trying to balance your blood sugar for health reasons like PCOS for me, then pay attention to the type of dairy-free milk you're using. I tend to lean towards a clean almond milk over an oat milk to balance the ratios of carbs to protein. Once you pour your milk in, it's time to have fun with the supplements. I like to add a scoop of vanilla protein powder to ramp up the protein for breakfast. You can also add collagen for protein, and a few other of my favorite supplements are adding acacia powder or flaxseed for fiber. We'll be adding nut butter to the top, but it's never a bad idea to add a tablespoon or 2 of nut butter for healthy fats. Once you have everything in the blender, blend on high until it's smooth and creamy. It will be very thick and may seem like it won't come together. If you have a tamper, push that down into the ingredients to help blend it. You can also add a splash of milk a little bit at a time until it starts to blend and reach your desired consistency. When it's smooth and creamy, pour it into a bowl right away. The best part of smoothie bowls are the toppings. My favorite toppings for this recipe are a little extra banana, chia seeds, granola, or almond butter. You're getting extra fiber from the chia seeds and even more healthy fats from the nut butter. A few other great toppings are fresh strawberries or chopped nuts. I firmly believe that everybody should have a healthy and delicious meal to look forward to in the morning. If you're excited about what you're eating, you're more likely to stick with it and fuel your body with what it needs right away. If you're excited about this recipe too, drop a comment and let me know what you think, then hit subscribe and check out these healthy blood sugar balancing smoothies.